Alright, it's time to do a first use video. And I've come up with an easier way to set this thing up without overstressing those legs. I don't know if it's better, but it's definitely different. Oh, yep. We shall see. Up to this end. There we are. Just like that. That works wonderfully. Alrighty, I'm going to have to cut some boards here, so let me get the saw set up. And bear in mind, this is my first time using it, so I've got to cut some 14-inch nailer blocks to put the Reflectix and wire mesh on the cabin. Let's just do this live. Still there. I'm going to move you to the other side. That ought to work. About 12 or 14-inch blocks. So you guys go straight in. That will work. Now that can come out. And first things first, let's get a straight edge to work with. Tell I'm not a professional. And you'll notice I'm wearing glasses this time. Alright, there's the first cut. We want 14 inches. And I'm only going to have to do this one time. There we are. So, somewhere in there, I'm going to get this locked down so it doesn't move. Just long enough. Hard to see the laser in the light. It's nice to have a laser. It's even nicer if we can see the laser. So there, now I have a work stop. And that should be the point. Get this on. Here we go. About as good as it gets right there. Okay, I'm going to hammer the rest of these out and be back in a few. Let's just go ahead and do a few. Halfway there. That's okay, I got another board. Oh, look at that. And there's actually a trigger too. Alrighty, I'm going to get this other board and finish these out. Back in a bit. I like the saw. Let's see that slide action. Now this is only white cedar, so this thing goes right through it. This isn't a real torture test. Alrighty, how many do we have here? Well, I got 2 extras. So there, that's it. That's the new saw. Yeah, don't know how much good the dust bag did, but there's not a whole lot of stuff on the floor. Not too bad. Alrighty, that's the saw. Hope you enjoyed the show, and it won't be too long. I'll be using this to do a lot more repetitive cuts. Later on, fans.